Mom, can you open this? You don't really have to.
No.
I'll open it.
You want to look at the bottom because that's where all the explosions are going to go off. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3.
I think it's 60 now, Mom.
I think it is too. Everyone's all quiet.
Crazy if you were up.
2. Look!
How awesome is that?
Did you see it, bud?
Is that cool? That's how that's how it feels like when you're in the army and they have big guns go off and bombs. It feels like that every time.
That was crazy, right? Was that awesome?
Those car alarms going off?
Are you glad you saw it?
Yeah.
Is that the coolest thing you've ever seen?
Yeah.
Are you telling Grandpa how cool that was?
Look at all that smoke.
As soon as I saw the fire,
Man, could you feel that?